So, explain what you're doing.
We're gonna give $1 to some people. You want $1?
You gotta be quicker than that.
You want $1?
Road.
She was big on this. Oh my god.
Police are gonna get us.
God, there's 3 of them around here. Holy crap. Stop, Alex.
They might get us. We'll see. Nope. He don't care.
There ain't nothing illegal that we're doing here.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
It is.
Y'all want $1? You gotta be quicker than that.
It's like playing with cats. Put it down a little bit.
Yeah, what you want?
Oh, we got a
Good
rebate.
job, man. Good job. Seriously waiting that whole